Hey there, movers and shakers, and welcome back to Catch Vibes 5-Minute Moves with me, Brittany, your body-based therapist and guide to living a more clear, connected, and confident life. Today, we are moving toward the light. So in times of darkness, sometimes we just need like that little speck so that we can see the direction in which we need to move or hold that little bit of hope for us when maybe it's hard for us to hold it ourselves. So it's going to be very slow, gentle movement. We're actually going to be seated, so you can have a chair to sit in or you can sit on the floor, totally up to you. You could also do it standing if that's something you're interested in. All right, so we have 5 minutes and our time is now. So today we are dancing to a song called You Say. If you know, you know. So I'm going to be seated and kind of towards the edge of the chair so that my feet can be on the floor. And we're going to start with some movements of contracting and expanding and just feeling the opposite. So a lot of times when we are feeling stuck or in a dark place, we feel very like heavy and contracted. So this is just an opportunity for your body to experience what the opposite of that feels like and then allow it to come back into this contracted state and just noticing how you feel in those different types of postures. So I like to start with my hands on my head and like my elbows on my knees. And as I sit up, I'm gonna keep my hands on my head and I'm just going to expand my elbows and try and feel that stretch as much as possible. And then the reverse, I'm gonna contract my stomach and allow my elbows to come back to my knees. And you do that again, so we do it twice, expanding as much as you can and pulling in and contracting back down to your knees. Now we're gonna do the same thing, but this time you're gonna let go of your head. So when you open, you're gonna allow your arms to open and then they're gonna come down to your knees, but you're gonna contract and allow your body to fall forward. And then you're gonna do that again, opening your arms, opening your chest, and then allowing your body to fall forward and contract. Now, this section I like to, feels like we're reaching for the light, okay? So after you contract, you're gonna reach your arm forward like you're reaching for the light, and then you're gonna turn and you're gonna put it in your pocket, or you're gonna store it for later. So we're reaching for the light again with the opposite hand, turning, and adding it, giving ourselves some hope, some light to keep with us. Last time we do it 4 times each side. And then from here, you're just going to, you can do like a hug, you can put your hand on your heart and your belly or your heart, just some kind of physical connection and imagining that light like holding you and just like, almost like a parent holding a baby and rocking it and being like, it's gonna be okay. It might not seem like it right now, but it's gonna be okay. And just envisioning that light surrounding you and holding you, maybe adding a little sway to feel that little bit of nurturing, okay? So that is our movement for today. Let's try it with the music. So starting with your hands on your head, leaning forward. I keep fighting, opening, really big, expand, 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 and reverse, contract. Nice and slow. Again, expanding, and contract. Releasing your hands, and contracting back down. Remind me once again just who I am because I need. Good. Contracting back down. Good. Reach for the light. Put it in your pocket. Again, reach. Saving it for later. 2 more just like that. Last one. Envisioning that light surrounding you and holding you. How'd that go? What did it feel like to allow your body to contract and expand? Could you feel any kind of difference or any kind of shift? Or what was it like to visualize that light surrounding you and hugging you and holding you? Maybe it was new and you're like, that was really weird. That's totally okay. I encourage you, if you're at a time in life when that light feels really far away or non-existent, maybe saving this video and using it for those moments when, we need a reminder that there is a light at the end of the tunnel, even if it is very dim right now, and allowing this to hold you and nurture you in those moments when maybe you need a little bit of that. All right, we're gonna try one more time. Last time, best time, meaning you just allow your body to do what it needs. Maybe you sing along to the song. Maybe you abandon all movement and just sing this song. It's so beautiful. Maybe you allow some of the movements to be different than what mine look like. Make it your own. It's your time. All right, here we go.
I keep fighting voices in my mind that say I'm not enough. Every single lie that tells me I will never measure up. Am I more than just the sum of every high and every low? Remind me once again just who I am, because I need to know. Ooh, you say I'm loved when I can't feel a thing. You say I'm strong when I think I'm weak. And you say I'm held when I'm falling short. And when I don't belong, oh, you say I'm yours. And I believe, oh, I believe what you say to me. I believe.
You did it. Congratulations. I encourage you to take a moment right now to celebrate yourself, even if it's just trying something new or moving your body when you really didn't want to. And I invite you to share maybe a favorite moment or gratitude in the comments so that you can connect to the other movers and shakers and myself, and feel a sense of camaraderie or community, especially in those moments, when we are feeling isolated or in the dark. It can be nice to know that there are other people around going through something similar, or maybe who have been through something like this before and can hold the hope for us when it's hard for us to hold ourselves. And I invite you just to remember that your body holds the key to everything you need, and your movement is the thing that sets it free. So get out there and keep the good vibes flowing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.